Today we're gonna make American toast with cheese. You will need 2 pieces of bread, 3 slices of cheese, some mayo, a hot pan, and 5 minutes of your time. So for American toast, I usually use Texas toast bread. You can use any kind of cheese. And this time I used Swiss cheese, which I basically bent halfway because it's kind of big, so it doesn't fit into the bread I used. And then spread some mayo on your toast bread on one side, place it on your frying pan before you turn the heat on so you don't burn yourself. Put some more mayo on the other side, turn the heat on medium high, toast it for a little bit, flip it over, put your cheese on, and toast a little bit more, slap it together, and here we go. You got your American toast, and it's really good. Be so kind, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.